Thanks for checking out Scotty's Hobbies. Today we have Giovanna helping out again. She's going to help me raise the bed, or take the bed off of the truck pretty much, to get to the fuel pump to replace the fuel pump assembly. Make sure you take a lot of caution when you do this procedure if you do it this way. Use the retaining bolts just so the bed doesn't shift too much. When you put the bed on, it does settle a little bit and it is kind of uncomfortable.
What is a fuel pump assembly?
The fuel pump assembly is what sends fuel from the fuel tank up to the engine so that the engine could go. So in this case, the car would not start, or the truck wouldn't start, and it ended up being that the fuel pump assembly has gone bad. Essentially, the fuel pump inside the assembly has gone bad, but this day and age, it is so much easier to replace the whole assembly rather than just the pump. So that's what we're going to do in this procedure.
How do you start the car?
What do you mean?
Like, turn it up.
With the key?
Yeah, which way do you turn it?
You turn the top side forward.
Like, does it
No, all the same. When everybody is watching, while they do that, what are they going to do?
Subscribe, like, and comment down below.
Like, subscribe, share, comment down below. Let's go ahead and get the bed off. I'm also going to do fuel pump assembly and a no starts diagnosis, so make sure you check out the other videos too. Thanks for watching. Let's get going.
What's a no start? I mean, what's a no start?
To start off, to remove the bed, you have to remove the 6 bolts that retain the bed to the frame. You first have 2 right behind the cab where your leaf spring connects, and then this one right here that is on the left and the right of your spare wheel. This bolt is located right behind the cab, maybe a foot down on the frame, if that.
Just put them on the floor.
That's what I mean. You have to go through the bracket for your leaf spring to get to it. Kind of hard, but kind of easy at the same time. These are 19mm bolts, by the way. And last are the bolts right here that hold your tow package on as well. So these are on the very back of the of the frame. Both sides. They're pretty tight too. The gun got them out real easy, but you could tell it wasn't the easiest thing for them to get out. So if you're doing this by hand, it might take a little bit, but it can get the job done. Don't have to have an impact to get them out. Now that we do have all the bolts out, I went down and got these 1/2 inch, 9 inch long bolts to put on the bed on the passenger side. So when we swivel it up or lift up the driver's side of the bed and it pivots, not swivels, pivots up, these will allow the bed to stay in place and not slide off the frame and cause way more problems for me. All 3 bolts on the passenger side did get that retaining bolt put in. Now you have all the bolts out and make sure the bed does come loose from the frame.
Did you do the other side?
No.
I can't. Look it. Look.
My little helper thinks she's a kid. She could do everything. Gotta love it.
Pieces of wood over here.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Alright, I cut these 2x4s into about 5 inch lengths.
No, not here. This is what I'm going to do. When I lift it up, you're going to put it right here. You see right there?
Uh-huh.
And instead of looking down, bend down and look straight at it. Come this way. There you go. So we're going to put, you're going to put the wood right here between this one and the rail.
So
and then,
right that?
But under this.
Under
right there.
That?
And then also right here, but see this lip? You're gonna have to put it right here between the rail, okay?
I don't get that.
It has to go right here. Has to go right here.
Oh, now I get it.
You get it?
Yeah. That and then right.
Let go. That's perfect. That's perfect. So now I'm gonna do it again, and I need you to put the other one.
That's gonna fall.
That's fine. Just slide it a little bit more when I pull it up. Okay. You want it to be half and half. Hold on, not yet.
Yeah.
Keep your hands away. And then this one.
It's gonna go like that.
Slide it right there, okay?
Okay.
Watch your hands. Hold on. Go on.
Oh.
Good?
Yep. I didn't even have to move that one. I was so quick.
Perfect. Okay, so we're gonna go do it to the other side.
Okay.
And then we're gonna come back and do it a little bit more over here. You ready?
Yeah.
Oh, and you're good.
Good. Wait. Good.
Ready?
Mhm. Good.
And when you're ready, try to get them both in at the same time, okay?
Okay.
Watch out for a second.
I'm gonna try to.
Ready?
Yeah. Oop, and one fell. I'll just do this. And then pick up this one.
Hurry up, baby.
Okay.
Good?
Done.
Good?
Yeah.
Alright. I like it.
Okay, now the other side.
Oh, I think we're good.
Okay.
Should we do this one? Feel my energy right now. Ready?
Okay. Yep.
1, 2.
Oh gosh. Done.
Good?
Mhm. Do it for me. Okay.
Ready?
Yep.
Here we go.
Mhm. It won't work. That will work. Done.
Good?
Yep.
Hands out.
Mhm.
That's the fuel pump right there.
All my beautiful work.
Beautiful work. Alright, so we don't have to disconnect anything. This little stretched too should take that off real fast.
Really? Come on.
Now that we have access to it, go ahead and remove the electrical connection to the fuel pump. It's a little 4-pin connector. There is a red tab on it. You just slide off to the side so you can get to the tab, push it down, and slide right off. This one was a little melted and I couldn't get it off, so I ended up breaking it off. Now that you have the pigtail disconnected, I'm going to use my power probe